Since 1999, Priority Communication Systems has been the silent backbone of Canada's most vital communities. From advanced healthcare infrastructure to secure business networks, our 25 years of integration expertise is your ultimate advantage. Manufacturing environments demand resilient, safety-focused technology. Manufacturing technology solutions protect people and operations. Disconnected systems increase risk and downtime in industrial environments. Priority Communication Systems, PCS, integrates industrial communication systems, emergency alerts, security, and network infrastructure. Integrated systems improve safety, response times, and operational continuity. Priority Communication Systems supports manufacturing facilities and industrial sites across Canada. Learn more about manufacturing technology at Priority Communication Systems, PCS. Visit PriorityLimited.com.